feel it every time you see me in. What's my favorite word? Why they gotta say it like short? You know.
Welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, Black King Sebastian, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Hello everyone.
Ladies, hot topics on.
So for our first hot topic, we already know you guys are pumped up and excited because if you didn't see the excellent exhibition at the Staples Center, then you are definitely missing out. But they had Mike Tyson and Roy Jones fight it out and see who is going to get the champion stick for today. They did mention and give tribute to a different few athletes. You know, Roy Jones had the gloves on for...
That's right. They had the Michael Jordan as well as the Kobe Bryants. But for Mike Tyson, or Michael Tyson, and the Dr. Jones, Roy Jones, we want to congratulate you guys on your excellent exhibition fights. But in my opinion, you should put the boxing gloves down and start your own new boxing center. Call it the Michael Jones.
I'm going to have to agree with you there, Black King Sebastian. It did end in a draw, if anyone is wondering who won the fight. But, you know, I'm going to say they both had a little bit of fun. They looked exhausted, but at the end when they got interviewed, they were still hyped up, still friends, and, you know, that's the best part about it. It's like Dancing with the Stars. They go out there to compete, but they're still having a little bit of fun. Speaking of Dancing with the Stars, Nelly, this is off topic, but you need to sit down. You really do. You were complaining about the Dancing with the Stars being rigged, even though you made it all the way to the finales. And not only that, now you're trying to sell your Dancing with the Stars shoes for $50,000. Stop it. Stop it.
You need to stop. And going on with the TV shows and awards, we want to give tribute to the J-Lo.
What did you just say?
We see that you have the cross on your face, so we obviously know that you're a Christian. You know, you're probably seeing the hollow Jesus.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
And we hear that you did a TikTok with the, what's his name, Dr. Ross? The husband, A-Rod.
Exactly.
We heard that you did that.
Do a TikTok. They were just on live with their fans, just dancing around saying that she dances with everyone.
And you know what I'm saying? That's a TikTok, Dr. Ross. Because that was bad. Exactly. You went out there with a tight suit on and you had the mask, but then you go out with the Maluma or the Bad Bunny, whatever his name is, and you go butt naked.
Exactly. And then
with A-Rod, from one player to the next, I'm gonna have to take your player's card because you don't deserve it.
Exactly. Speaking of players just losing their complete reins, so you've already heard about Wendy Williams back and forth about Bow Wow and age and rappers, how they have to stop, and then Wendy Williams said, who's actually heard a hit song from Bow Wow recently? And Bow Wow got offended, and he said, well, Wendy Williams is old, so she wouldn't know.
Bow Wow, you need to sit down, because when you were at your limelight, at your highest point, you should have went out there and tried to do something. You could have did what you wanted to do, but we see that you didn't take that chance as an opportunity. But with the Wendy Williams, we're gonna take your job.
I'm gonna have to agree with you there, Black King Sebastian. And not only that, Bow Wow, we're not trying to hate on you because we still have love for you. You were a lot cuter and a lot more attractive when you were younger, and then I guess the Lil Bow Wow stuck with you for the rest of your life, and now you're just Lil Bow Wow.
That's right. And speaking about people who need to stop, not to go off the topic, Dr. Ross, but with the Nelly, you need to stop. Stop trying to sell your shoes for $50,000. Because we already know that if it doesn't sell, he's going to buy it himself. Now we got love for you, Nelly. Let's move into our final hot topic.
For our final hot topic, we have Larsa Pimpin was recently seen with a mystery man in the mall. Let me just say something before we talk about our discussions and our thoughts right now. This nigga looks horrible. And first of all, you could do so much better, Larsa. So much better.
But we hear that she was trying to go for this other basketball player.
But Lorenzo Ball.
He probably didn't want to because of the names Scottie Pippen. Or
thumbs down.
Or the Pippen name. You need to take the Larsa and Pippen name out. We've said it once and we'll say it once again. You need to cut that out of your life.
Just stop it and just change the names because your kids are grown now. You're already divorced from your husband, or if you're still married to him, you're still running the streets. So you should probably just change your last name and it'll be good completely because you're still hot You're still a vixen, and you're still our favorite person.
That's right. You still have all the qualities. You just need to cut the name loose.
Now
That's
the-
like a ball and chain on you right now.
Exactly. And the other thing that I will say that is just, it's not really ruining your image because you're still Larsa Pimpin' and people can't take that away from you. But I'm only going to say you really have to lose Ronald McDonald here. He has bright orange shoes on and a bright yellow jumpsuit on, walking around with McDonald's food. You have to drop him. You
That's
have to.
right. You have to, with the Macy's bag and a McDonald's cup. No, cut that out of your life. Black King is here. 4 more years.
Let's close it off, Black King Sebastian.
That's right. These were all of our hot topics, but for the Kylie Jenner and for the Larsa Pippen, that's for you. And we want to congratulate our winner for the She's Hot contest as well, the Coco Austin.
Exactly.
So
Keep
for
putting your votes in.
That's right. So for Coco Austin, congratulations on winning the She's Hot contest.
Congratulations.
Nice. Nice. Made me happy, made me smile. Nice.
And on a side note, this is Coco Austin, the alleged wife of the iced tea, not the Coco from Beverly Hills. This is the one from Miami, Florida.
With the pump in the trunk, the pow.
Not the jumped up trunk. But Dr. Rossnot or Kylie Jenner, Venice. This is a $40,000 painting. Let's go to Venice, Kylie. Not Venice Beach, Venice, Italy. We out. We'll catch you on the next song. We'll catch you guys on the next song.
Rose and gold.